Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the importance of surrounding yourself with positivity. It's no secret that life can be tough, and it's easy to get caught up in negativity, but by surrounding yourself with positivity, you can transform your mindset and lead a happier life. So, whether you're feeling down, stressed, or just need some motivation, stick around as we share some tips and tricks for creating a positive environment around you. Firstly, one of the best ways to surround yourself with positivity is to choose your friends wisely. The people we spend time with can have a huge impact on our mood and outlook on life. That's why it's important to surround ourselves with people who uplift and encourage us. Seek out people who share similar values and interests and who inspire you to be the best version of yourself. If you find that some of the people in your life are constantly negative, it might be time to reassess those relationships and consider spending less time with them. Secondly, practicing gratitude is another powerful way to surround yourself with positivity. It's easy to get bogged down by the challenges of everyday life and forget to appreciate the good things. However, by taking time to focus on what you're grateful for, you can cultivate a more positive mindset and increase your overall well-being. You can start by keeping a gratitude journal or simply taking a few minutes each day to reflect on the things you're thankful for. Another way to surround yourself with positivity is to use positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are short, powerful statements that can help to reprogram your mind and create a more optimistic outlook on life. Some examples include, I am capable of achieving my goals, I choose to focus on the good in my life, and I am worthy of love and respect. By repeating these affirmations daily, you can train your mind to think more positively and develop a more confident, resilient mindset. Lastly, creating a positive physical environment can also help to boost your mood and overall well-being. This can include things like decorating your space with uplifting colors, adding plants or other natural elements to your environment, or keeping your living space tidy and organized. By creating a space that feels calm and inviting, you can reduce stress and create a more positive atmosphere around you. In conclusion, surrounding yourself with positivity is crucial to leading a fulfilling and happy life. By choosing positive friends, practicing gratitude, using positive affirmations, and creating a positive physical environment, you can cultivate a more positive mindset and transform your life. We hope you found these tips helpful, and remember, a positive mindset is a powerful tool that can help you navigate even the toughest of times. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content.